Drone Dreesy.
Is it recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh.
Okay, be careful, okay? This is going to be, it might be scary for you. I don't know. It might not be scary. It might be a piece of cake. It should be a piece of cake, though. Sit down, because sometimes you could fall over when you're FPVing with goggles on and you're flying in the air. I almost fell over once, so check it out, y'all. I rigged this little drone with FPV. Got a little cam on the front there, so put your RedPawz on. Let me see if I can get it turned on. Okay, so it's ready. Let me get you ready. Can you see? Okay, let me link it up. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here, this is your first flight. Hold on, don't fly yet though. Let me lock in on your channel because I want to record the FPV too. Alright, I'm locked in on the channel.
Hey man, it's going there.
He's up. Don't go too high. Don't go too high. Don't go that high. Turn around. Okay, turn around. Don't go high, okay?
Away from her.
It's making me don't see.
You can see? He's going. He's in the air flying. Hey, don't go too high, EGs. And don't fall down too fast. Can't fall down too fast, okay? Don't drop the throttle. You come down slow next time. Fly around some stuff. Turn around. Now come forward. Can you see?
Yeah, but it's making it go down.
Don't come down too fast. Come down a little. You're really high up. Don't fall down too hard. Yeah, I hear you. Try to fly. Come down a little lower. Come down. Don't come down fast though. You gotta keep the throttle up. You fall down a little hard. Go forward. Come down a little. Man, you come down fast, man. You gotta come down slow. Go up and turn. Go up a little. Turn around. Okay, your battery is hanging. Wait a minute. You have to come back and land slow. Land slow. Okay, hold on. Let me fix your battery. You come down and slam hard, man. You gotta come down slow.
On the goggles, it looks like I'm going down slow.
Yeah, but you be coming down fast. You gotta raise the throttle up. Okay, see that stuff over there? Try to fly under that stuff over there. You stuck under there? Now, let's see what you're looking at. Oh, hey, don't go up high. You're going up high. Oh, you're about to go in the tree. Okay, come back over here. It's dead?
No, it's trying to make me go.
Go up high. You trying to make it what?
It's trying to make me go sleep.
Wait a minute. Stop. Turn it down. Something's just wrapped up in the propeller.
Turn off and on that minute.
Yeah, it's flashing.
I see it.
So how was your first FPV experience outdoors?
But
It was good?